How to earn your initial $100 online using Chat GPT. First, navigate to the website I'll mention below. As you may already know, Chat GPT is an extraordinary chatbot. If you inquire about the top 5 methods to earn money online from Chat GPT, it will tell you selling online products or services, starting a blog or website, investing in stocks or cryptocurrency, completing online surveys or tasks, and becoming an influencer to save you some time. The most effective method to earn money online is by selling digital products. The profit margin is substantial because you only need to create the product once and can resell it repeatedly. Moreover, creating digital products doesn't cost anything, as you can see. Even ChatGPT suggests that one of the best ways to earn money online is by selling digital products like ebooks or courses. Now, I'm going to demonstrate how to use ChatGPT to create an ebook. Shortly, I'll show you how to convert your ebook into profit. You only need to create it once, and then you can resell it repeatedly to generate passive income. Let me show you how to use ChatGPT to compose an impressive ebook in just 7 minutes. Before we begin writing your first ebook, we need to come up with an idea for it. So, what kind of ebook should you create with ChatGPT? First and foremost, if you want to profit from selling ebooks, you need to sell what people are interested in buying. Therefore, you need to discover the trending categories for non-fiction books. It's simple to find out. We'll just ask ChatGPT, so I'll type something like this: what are the popular categories for non-fiction books? Even if you're unsure about the type of ebooks you want to create and sell, you can use ChatGPT to assist you with the research. When you ask ChatGPT about the popular categories for non-fiction books, you aim to discover what's popular and in demand, so you can create ebooks to meet that demand. You don't want to create a book that no one is interested in buying, as that would be a waste of time. Correct. Here, you can observe we have numerous excellent ideas, such as biography and memoir. Business and finance is another popular category. There are also categories like history, self-help, and personal development, among others. If you want more ideas, you can simply ask ChatGPT to suggest more. For instance, you can say, suggest 5 more popular categories. If you feel that these 10 ideas are not sufficient, you can ask ChatGPT to continue suggesting more. Now we have fresh ideas like education and reference, nature and the environment, art and photography, etc. All of these are fantastic ideas. In this example, let's choose business and finance, which is quite intriguing but also a very broad category. If we want to get even better ideas for a non-fiction book, we can ask ChatGPT to suggest some subtopics. We don't want to write a generic ebook about business and finance. It's too broad and not specific enough. It will be very challenging to sell. So let's ask ChatGPT to give us even better ideas. We can write something like this: what are the subtopics for the category business and finance? Then we can wait for ChatGPT to tell us some of the popular subtopics, and this will give us a much better idea for our ebook. So within business and finance, we have things like marketing and sales, economics and financial markets, management and leadership, entrepreneurship and small business, personal finance and investing, real estate, and so on. You can just pick any one that is most interesting to you. For example, let's say we go with entrepreneurship and small business. Now we're ready to write the ebook. First of all, let's get ChatGPT to write us an outline. I'll just write something like this: write an outline for a book on entrepreneurship and small business. ChatGPT will plan out the book for you and give you a table of contents with all the different chapters organized neatly. We'll have an introduction, chapter 1 on the definition and overview of entrepreneurship, and all these other things. Now, your next step is to copy the book outline from ChatGPT and paste it into Google Docs. At this point, we have a complete outline for the book. Now we want Chat GPT to begin drafting the ebook for us. We'll commence with the first chapter, which will be an overview and definition of entrepreneurship. All we need to do is copy the chapter title and paste it into Chat GPT. Then, when we ask Chat GPT to draft the first chapter of our ebook, it will do so. All you need to do is select it, copy it, return to Google Docs, and paste it in. Now we have our first chapter for the book. Then we just proceed to the next chapter, so I'll go over to the next chapter title, copy it, and return here to Chat GPT. I'll instruct Chat GPT to draft this chapter. This will be chapter number 2. Chat GPT will draft the chapter for us. Once it's done, just like before, we select it, copy it, and go to Google Docs to paste it in. We just continue this process, get Chat GPT to draft chapter 3 chapter for chapter 5, and so on. Copying and pasting as we go. In just a few minutes, we'll have our entire ebook drafted for us. And by the way, if you feel like a chapter is too short and want Chat GPT to write more, you can just say, "Please write more." Chat GPT will continue adding more paragraphs to the chapter. In just a few minutes, you can use Chat GPT to create your first ebook. Then all you have to do is go to File, Download, and click on PDF Document to download your ebook as a PDF. Now that you've used Chat GPT to create your ebook, you'll want to upload it to a platform so you can sell it. There are numerous platforms available for this purpose, and one of them is Gumroad.com. This platform is accessible globally. I encourage you to leave a comment below indicating the country from which you're viewing this video. This information will help me tailor future content specifically for your region. As you can see, Gumroad allows you to sell an ebook in PDF format or other types of digital products. One of the advantages of Gumroad is that it's free in the sense that there are no monthly fees. With other platforms, you often have to pay a significant amount like $30, $40, or even $100 just to use their platform. However, with Gumroad, there are no monthly fees. They only charge a 10% fee, but only after you've made money, only after you've made sales. So, Gumroad is quite beneficial because you can start with no money. And when you make money with Gumroad, they'll charge a 10% fee. For instance, if you earn $100 selling your ebook, Gumroad will deduct $10 as fees for using their platform. Once your ebook is ready for sale on Gumroad, all you need to do is promote it on social media to attract traffic. You can use platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook to direct people to Gumroad to purchase your ebook. Now, if you want to attract more traffic to your ebook, you can click here and proceed to my next video where I reveal an exclusive tip on how to garner thousands of engagements. So, if you're interested in that, just click here and you'll be redirected to my next video. I look forward to seeing you there.